Take a look at the latest construction updates at Disneyland Paris, this time with pictures from Cave of Wonders. From new developments to ongoing refurbishments, here's what's changing around the parks and what you can expect in the near future. The decorative wooden stalls at It's a Small World are back again. After months of quiet, the familiar wooden stalls have returned to their cozy spot near the whimsical attraction. Nestled under strings of lights and surrounded by cheerful music, the chalets bring back the comforting sense of melted cheese, warm pastries, and sweet mulled drinks. A treasure hunt is taking place in Frontierland. Guests can join in on the fun by following clues and exploring the land in search of hidden secrets. All the details are explained on a special flyer, though it's only being handed out by some cast members from the guest flow and custodial teams. So keep your eyes open. There's a reward waiting at the end for those who complete the hunt, if you can find it. Let the adventure begin. The fruit cart is back near the Magic Lamp photo spot in Adventureland. Fresh, colorful, and perfect for a quick snack. Tucked inside the fairy tale-inspired boutique, this special area celebrates the magic of Tangled, with themed merchandise, colorful displays, and a musical atmosphere that brings Rapunzel's world to life. It's a charming little surprise for fans of the long-haired princess and a perfect stop for festival vibes and Disney magic. Lush greenery has been added in front of the theater, giving the space a fresh and inviting look. Additionally, the wooden doors behind the Hollywood Tower Hotel have made their return, restoring a familiar detail to this corner of the park. It's a subtle but welcome update that brings a bit more charm back to the area. Disneyland Paris is set to welcome a brand new McDonald's restaurant in Disney Village, scheduled to open in early 2026. This development is part of a multi-year transformation of Disney Village, aiming to enhance the guest experience with innovative designs and family-friendly concepts. The reopening of the suspension bridge on Adventure Isle in Adventureland is scheduled for August 2nd, 2025. Currently under renovation, this iconic bridge connects the two sides of the island and offers an immersive crossing high above the caves and themed landscapes. The ongoing work focuses on reinforcing the structure and improving the guest experience, all while preserving its rustic and adventurous look. Big Thunder Mountain at Disneyland Paris has been closed for refurbishment since January 6, 2025. The attraction is scheduled to reopen on June 21, 2025, following extensive renovations aimed at enhancing the guest experience. Burger of the Month at Annette's Diner, the Motivation Burger, available from May 7th to June 4th. Beefsteak, Brie de Meaux cheese and Meaux mustard, bacon with maple syrup, crispy onion with paprika, dried apricots and figs, golden apple roasted with cinnamon and brown sugar, served with rustic fries. The BDX droids have arrived at Disneyland Paris. From May 4th, 2025, guests can meet these playful, award-winning droids in Discoveryland for 3 weeks as part of Star Wars Day celebrations. Created by Disney Imagineering, they combine cutting-edge robotics with real personality, bringing next-level character interactions to life. Thanks for watching. We'll have more updates from Disneyland Paris very soon, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay in the loop. See you in the next video.